Hi guys, this is how we do your self-portrait. So there's my name, Nastasia the Great. I'm going to add the plus sign. Here I'm going to write the title of my art. Then I'm going to take a picture of my 4 thumbnails that I did in my sketchbook. I don't have one, but I'll give you a picture of me. I don't know if it's going to work with this. See, there I am. So I take a picture and I put this in. Now this is going to be a picture of your 4 thumbnails. I just did a picture of myself because I haven't done 4 thumbnails. Okay? So I'm going to push this here and push save. Okay. And then here you're going to write the medium that you have chosen for your art. So that can be watercolor, acrylic, graphite, whatever, okay? And then over time, what we'll do is we'll just add your progress to this, and then we're going to do a critique. Okay?